Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in probable question series for ABM and today we will be covering module A. Okay, so not complete module A, the typical topic of module A. Okay, because we have to cover the important explanations also. Let's start. The distribution that is formed by all possible values of statistics is known as what? Means that distribution which is formed because of all possible values: hypergeometric, normal, sampling and binomial. What is this? All possible values of statistics. Statistics refers to what? Statistics is for sample. Always remember this. Statistics word relates to sample. Statistics, okay? It is sample. So when the word statistics comes, it is for sampling distribution. So the answer over here is sampling distribution. This one, correct? C. Got it? Next one. The difference between statistic and a parameter is called. Now just now I told you statistic is for what? Sample. Okay, so I'll write it over here. Statistic equals to sample. Okay, so if that is sample, then what about this parameter? Parameter is, I'll just write para. Okay, it's not writing here. Parameter equals to population. So this is population. Okay, that is population. Let me write it properly. Population. Okay, population. So the difference between statistic and parameter is called as non-random, probability, sampling error and random sampling. So what can be the answer for this? Statistic and parameter. What is this here? If I draw this normal distribution curve, this is known as the normal distribution curve. Okay, now in this normal distribution curve, this is, look at this, this is the normal distribution curve and this is known as a, this parameter means population. This is always for parameter P. Okay, and whatever I do through sampling comes over here. Means this is my exact required answer, but this is what I get after sampling. So this becomes a statistic. Stats. Okay, stats, as I write it just. So what is this difference known as? This difference has occurred because of what? This difference has occurred because of sampling error, right? Because of the sampling part. So the answer will be sampling error, right? Because of the samples only this difference has come, isn't it? If this samples would have been perfect, then the answer would have been the same, right? Why this difference? Because there is a problem in the samples. So that's called as sampling error. Okay. Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. You get it. Whatever is required for JAIIB and CAIIB, you get it over here. Immediately download it. Okay. Sample is regarded as a subset of data, set, distribution, and population. So who can answer me? Sample is regarded as a subset of. If this is my area to be sampled, so this entire area means the people over there staying is known as population. And from that population, what do? I take samples from this corner, this corner, this corner, like this. So what are these? These are lying in what? These samples are lying in this population only. Okay. So these three corners of samples become subset of what? It becomes a subset of population. Okay. This is a subset of population. Okay, so answer is D, population. But everyone, the following is not a type of non-probability sampling. Not a type. Remember, not a type. Okay, so non-probability. What is probability and non-probability? Probability sampling means that sampling in which everyone has an equal chance. There are 4 types of probability sampling, right? Simple random, stratified, systematic, and cluster. Remember this or forgot? Remember now? Yeah. So that is probability. And what about non-probability? These are the non-probability. Let's see. Quota, that means snowball, and stratified. So which of them is not the answer for non-probability? Then I told you about probability. In that one name from here. Which was that name which had come over there? Correct. Stratified. So stratified sampling is not the part of non-probability sampling. Stratified sampling is a part of probability sampling. Again I'll tell you. 4 are simple random, systematic, stratified, and last one is cluster. Okay, in stratified. now. Subscribe to Officer Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the free YouTube series on all the subjects. Number one, all the marathons you will be getting, plus latest updates from JAIIB on JAIIB, CAIIB, from IBM, everything. Whatever is the latest, you get on this channel only. So click on the bell icon, subscribe to it right now. Okay. Increasing the sample size of the has a following effect upon the sampling error. So if I increase the sample size, what will happen? It increases sampling error, it reduces sampling error. It has no effect. So just now here I showed you that example of this normal distribution. So here I take, let's say, and the population is, let's say, 1000. So if I increase the sample size from 50 to, let's say, 600, okay, so will I come closer to the right answer, or will I go far away from the right answer? If I increase the sample size from 50 to 600, I come over here, right? Because as the sample increases, the accuracy increases. So what will it reduce? This is the sampling error, just now we saw, right? So the sampling error will be over here then. So this has reduced, so it will reduce the sampling error, and the answer is D, right? It will reduce the sampling error. That's the basic logic of center limit theorem, right? Remember this center limit theorem? Now, which among the following is best simple random sampling? Now this is what? This is probability sampling. Probability sampling, again let's revise. What are the 4 names I told you in probability sampling? Type fast in the comment section. Everyone type fast. What are the 4 names? Whatever you can remember, type. Okay? What are the 4 names I told you? Correct. Simple random. Second. Yes, second. Systematic. Correct. Systematic. Third. Stratified. Very good. And last one is cluster. Right? So which one of the following is the benefit of using simple random? The results are always representative. Interviewers can choose the respondents freely. Informants can refuse to participate. We can calculate the accuracy of the results. It's a bit tricky one. But what is the answer? It's not the expected answer which you wanted. But the basic answer over here can be that everyone has got an equal chance of getting represented. Okay? So that can be one answer. But what is the right answer over here? So the right answer is we can calculate the accuracy of the results. Remember, in simple random sampling, the accuracy of the results is almost same as that of the population. So D is the answer. We can calculate the accuracy of the results. Fraction n upon n is referred to by the statisticians as population fraction, sampling fraction, mean fraction, standard deviation fraction. So it is called as what? Answer already I have given it over here now, because I generally don't give the answers, but these are something difficult ones which we have not dealt with in regular basis. So this is known as sampling fraction. N means what? See, the small n over here equals to sample. Okay, sample. And capital N over here equals to population. Okay, so population. I'll just write pop over here. Okay, so population, right? So this small n upon capital N is known as a sampling fraction. The city police is stopping every vehicle at a checkpoint moving at a particular road within the city. They are using which type of sampling? Simple random, stratified, complete enumeration, and systematic sampling. So which of them they are using? See here the answer is different. It is not the part of our statistical calculations in our CAIIB. This is something different answer. It is known as complete enumeration. Means what? They are not taking any sample. Whoever comes over there gets caught. That's the basic logic. The census is the study of every unit, everyone, and everything in the population. It is complete enumeration, which means complete count. So it is complete enumeration. Okay? If I ask you in the exam, if this comes and this complete enumeration is not given, suppose if this answer is not given, C is not given, okay, then what will you type? Simple random, stratified, systematic. If this is not given, then what will you type? Then it's simple random. Then the answer will be simple random if this enumeration is not given. Okay? When the population is normally distributed, the sampling distribution has standard deviation. So this sampling distribution has standard deviation. What is the formula? I mean, that is the question actually. Standard deviation's formula is what? So that is what? Population standard deviation is square root of sample size. Population standard deviation upon square root of size. Square root of size upon population standard deviation, and square root of sample size into population standard deviation. So what is the answer? This is a separate name for this. The answer is, okay, let me see how many of you can give me. A bit tricky. We have done this in numericals also, but a bit tricky one. So the answer is Okay, it's given, not given. So the answer is this. Remember, population is normally distributed. Okay, population is normally distributed. So sampling distribution has standard deviation. So the sampling distribution standard deviation is what? That is called as actual standard error, and it is population standard deviation this upon square root of sample size. So it's called as psi upon root of n. This is the actual name, and it's called as standard error. So the right answer is B. Population standard deviation upon square root of sample size, and this is called as standard error. Okay. Now last one. Estimate with 9% confidence the lifetime of 9-volt batteries using randomly selected sample, where the sample mean equals to x equals to 49 hours and standard deviation is 4 hours. Number of samples is 6. So this is a numerical. I'll solve it, okay? Because I don't expect the answer immediately from you guys. Now understand, when I say 95% confidence, I mean it means 2 standard errors. So I get 2 standard errors. For that I need first one standard error. I have to get to first, I need to know what is standard error. So standard error is what? Just now I gave you the formula. Standard deviation upon root of n. So what is standard deviation given? It's given 4 hours, right? What is number of samples n given? 36. So 4 upon square root of 36, psi upon root of n, right now, right? So it is 4 upon 6, so it is 2 upon 3, so it's 0.67. So 0.67, right? So standard error I got it. So what is standard error now? 2 into 0.67, so it becomes 1.34. So what is my answer now? 95% I've got this 2 side dash. So it is 49. So here this mean is given as 49. So this answer is like this. This is my mean 49. Now the upper band over here is plus 2 side dash, means plus what? 1.34. And lower band is minus 3 side dash. So this is minus 1.34. Okay. So do it and you'll get the answer as 47.4 and 50.3. Right? 3.4 it will be 0.4. That's okay. Okay. So this is the way you get this answer. Remember this. Okay. So 50.36 and 47.46 something over here like this it will be. Okay. So 3.4 means something it will be, I think so 6 only, whatever it is. Okay. So this is the answer. Got it? Now these are the 2 batches, power packed revision batch and this video batch. Why video batches are there? Because many times in the banking timing, banking pressure, we don't get time to attend the classes on time because of the sales and everything, sales pressure, target pressure, everything. So now we have brought this video courses batch. In this video courses batch, what happens? You can watch the videos at your own ease, at your own time. You get ebooks also, this test also over there. In revision batch, we take regular batches. All the important numericals, case studies, everything is covered. Even in video courses, it's covered. So you can join either of these. Use the code Y432. Huge discounts are going on. Let me show you the discounts. Okay, what I would suggest is join through the app. In the app, you are getting 1% extra using that coin system. We are having that coin system. The more the coins get generated on your name, the more you can get the discounts. Okay, let me show you. Let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay, got it? Now look at this. Done. Click on the first page itself. Say this. Click on CAIIB 23. Okay. Now this is the power packed revision batch. Click on this. You'll see the details of the batch. All the details are given. Days, timings, when it is started, study plan, everything. Go through it at your ease. Check the timings also. Now let me discuss this fees part. 3519. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Look at the discount. See this. 15,999 reduces to 3519. Such a huge discount you are getting. Join immediately. Even video courses I would suggest. Video courses, let me show you video courses also. Because video courses is one of the best thing. Because what happens, many a times we don't get time for the classes. So click on JAIIB, CAIIB, click on CAIIB again. Okay, 23. Don't click on October. Okay, otherwise you'll go to October batches. Click on CAIIB 23. Click on this video course. Look at this. All the details will be shown over here. All the video courses. What are the details? What are the schedule? What all is covered? What subjects are covered? Everything is covered. Mentioned. Okay. Now look at the fees part. 5059. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Look at this. It is same 5059 means 22999.